Take a look, guys. This man repair doors without painting. With his Facebook and contact number. He can repair in the road. Only in the road. It not need to paint. So you repair and not need to paint. Just only like this. You use tools. What tools you use? Like this. This is all tools. It's good if don't have paint. How much this door? How much you need to pay for this door?
Depends upon the repair.
Depend to prepare. No, minimum. For example, small dent, small.
Minimum 500.
500 minimum.
Yeah.
So you only work here in this place.
Yeah.
And don't have office, don't have shop. Only here every day. Okay, thank you. And you can fix and not need to paint. It's nice. Thank you. Yes, he will fix. I cannot see where. He repair good. This is location is near Uni Oil gas station. This is MacArthur Highway. I will put location in description of this video. It's near Iglesia Ni Cristo Church. He work only in the road. It's his tricycle. And every day he repair car dents. Thank you.